Hi kids, welcome to Dino Edition. Today, we will learn more about addition with the help of our Dino friend and her Dino eggs as examples. So, let's get started. Our first problem: how many dinosaur eggs are there altogether? 1 egg plus 1 egg equals what? The answer is 2. Did you get it right? Problem number 2. How many dinosaur eggs are there altogether? 2 eggs plus 2 eggs equals what? The answer is 4. Great job. Problem number 3. How many dinosaur eggs are there altogether? 3 plus 3 equals what? The answer is 6. How did you do? Problem number 4. How many dinosaur eggs are there altogether? 2 plus 5 equals what? The answer is 7. Way to go. Problem number 5. How many dinosaur eggs are there altogether? 3 plus 2 equals what? 3 plus 2 equals 5. Great job. Problem number 6. How many dinosaur eggs are there altogether? 8 plus 2 equals what? The answer is 10. Did you get it right? Problem number 7. How many dinosaur eggs are there altogether? 6 eggs plus 6 eggs equals what? The answer is 12. 6 plus 6 equals 12. Way to go. Problem number 8. How many dinosaur eggs are there altogether? 4 eggs plus 5 eggs equals what? The answer is 9. 4 plus 5 equals 9. Great job. Our last problem. How many dinosaur eggs are there altogether? 8 eggs plus 8 eggs equals what? The answer is 16. 8 eggs plus 8 eggs equals 16. Did you get it right? Great job. You have come to the end of the Dino Edition lesson. How many did you get right? Visit LessonLaneStudios on Etsy at LessonLaneStudio.etsy.com for worksheets and activities like this one. See you soon.